Hi, my name is Sean Kirst. I'm a journalist with the Buffalo News, a wonderful newspaper in the United States. About 16 years ago, I wrote a letter to the Tolkien Society in the United Kingdom, wondering why they didn't have a Tolkien Reading Day. And believe it or not, they took the suggestion. Tolkien Reading Day has taken off. It's celebrated around the world. We have one every year now in upstate New York that's been very successful. And I want to congratulate you in Bitola and Macedonia for having one this year. It's going to be March 24th at 11 a.m. at the American Corner, and the subject will be hobbits. I hope you have a wonderful time, and it just makes me really happy that you're doing it. Take care.